Baki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Uba Preston song ubadairu sembut menjerang ba jonggajala bakmi Jingïakynad kampo iyang. Ulai thu bakdan kumba arpunyo hadu arpu prangut kibriu kibla Shah kem ha Jingïakynad Kaba dang Shen ha West Garo Hills kabala sedang ha kendai trik jong leber araja punriu. Ha Jingïakynad bikla pathai kubur ha kandriu trik jong leber aja punriu. Uba song ulai thu baki pulin kidang pelong shu ya jingtok kit kababnia halor kani jingja. Bad ongru ba jingkembriu kala banwanja wat hari lum khasi. Kuman shubintip hangni baki pulit jongka West Garo Hills kila kem yau MBC Barim jongka Balachanda constituency Usofia Rahman haka step jongka kandriu terik uleber aja punriu halor ka jingja kabla jadang Shen hari lum Garo.
See, let me again tell you very, very clearly. I think people of Garo Hill should be happy. Should be happy the decision taken by the government today. The decision taken by the cabinet, it is a landmark decision we taken today. Why we have taken this decision? Number one, why government has to postpone the election? It's because of the law and order. Why law and order comes in? It's because of the aspiration of the people. They are against the participation of the non-tribal in the house of the Garo Hills Automotive Council. Therefore, the decision we taken today, let me tell you one thing, I think all residents of Garo Hills should be happy because why? Within 3 months' time again, and with the new EC, with the new CM, they will get the opportunity of flagging off all these concerns. And within 6 months' time, we have time to ultimately accommodate or to do the necessary amendment, whatever arises. Well, I think quite a number of arrests. We do have not less than 28 arrests has been made. So now again, if you further ask me about this question, I think let the police go ahead with the investigation, the detailed investigation. I cannot say right now anything. Or maybe some more to be arrested. That also we leave it to the wisdom of the police officials posted over there to see that such incidents that has happened should not again reoccur in future. See, not necessarily only in West Garo Hills. It should be in the entire region, or not only entire region. Maybe from here also. But let the investigation takes place. The moment the investigation takes place, I think you understand. We will go up to the end point of the issue. Since the FIR has been filed, and we are looking and explaining all these issues seriously. Well, right now, curfew will again continue in the evening. So, but at the same time, we will see how fast we'll be able to lift the curfew and also to lift the ban on the internet. I think right now we don't talk about NPP or any other political parties. We are talking about the agenda, the boiling issue, the boiling agenda, which is expressed by the people of Garo Hills. There is no such political agenda, especially from the NPP side, from the ruling side. We don't have any political agenda at all. But we would like to make sure that the aspiration of the people is met at any cost.
So former MDC Sophia Rahman was arrested.
No, I can't tell anything on this. As I said to you, let the investigation goes on. Okay.
For once, I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys. Party time.